semi-automatic tripod turnstile. Keep kind heart. The upper arm will fall down automatically after power off. After power on, it can't rise automatically. Needs our hands to press it down first, to an angle perpendicular to the ground. Next, lift it up to an angle parallel to the ground. Then it can work normally. After the verification is approved, need to push the upper bar, then the door will be open. Power off. Power on or restart.
Keep kind heart Technology Company Limited.
Please kindly help to click thumbs up if you like. After watching, thanks for your support. If any concerns, please freely contact us anytime. Email info@keepkindheart.top. Mobile phone 0086 17388 7868827.